Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we'll be looking at customizing your container home. So we're visiting Island Importers in St. Anne. And also, I always get comments, is there anything in the northern area? Well, I saw developments and I'll check it out and share the information here. There were also a lot of adverts on the side of the road. We don't see that in St. Catherine, so pay attention to the signs on the side of the road. Lands are available for sale. Houses are being built in the beautiful Ocho Rios. All right, so it's my birthday weekend, so I'm driving down from St. Catherine to Ocho Rios. I'll be taking the north-south highway, the entire leg from Angels to Maumee Bay. Yes, this is the beautiful view of the sea when you're exiting the highway at Maumee Bay. And we'll be taking the second exit, the one that leads us into Ocho Rios. Now, remember, I'm heading to my Airbnb, so I had no idea that this development was here. But little after we started on the road, what did I see?
And I see some houses being built here. Is it houses or plaza? I'm gonna have to come check it out. You know, Vengogetta was here. I'm gonna go check out these houses.
The next day.
All right, so this is Saturday. As I'm heading to the house that I actually wanted to go view, I decided to stop by here where I'd seen the houses being built to find out some information, and the security was tight at the gate, but you can see workmen over there working. But here's some quick online information that I found based on the information seen on the billboard here. All right, so I'll be real quick because this is an intermission as we get to the house that we're actually going to look at. So Emerald Roaring River is a luxury housing development in Maumee Bay near Ocho Rios, Jamaica, offering a range of modern houses including bungalows, villas, and soon townhouses and apartments. The key features is its minutes from Ocho Rios, form sites like Duns River and other tourist spots. It will include clubhouse, sports facilities, infinity pool, lush green spaces, serene lagoon, scenic jogging trail, and it says a blend of active community living and relaxation in a luxury residential setting. So we see Keys has those houses for sale. So let's click on Keys website and see the information. So they say 2 Ultra Emerald Roaring River house for sale for $421,135 US. All right, estimated mortgage will be $2,019 USD. Okay, 3 bedroom, 3 baths, and of course it does a mortgage calculator for you. It shows you can get approved and suggests JN as the bank of choice to get a mortgage if you're going through Keys. Okay, so we're going to go back on the search and we're going to go to Property Ads JA. Property Ads JA has a similar price like Keys. It has $450,000 for a same 3-bedroom house in Maumee Bay, Roaring River, St. Anne. Here it gives more details. It tells us, yes, it's gated. Building size will be 1,816 square feet. Land area square feet is 40. Anyway, I don't understand that figure, 43 million something. I don't understand that, so you'd have to check with Property Ads if you're interested. All right, so it lists a number here, 876-357-8010 if you're interested in purchasing through Property Ads, and there's a section at the side you can enter your own information to be contacted. All right, so Property Ads also gives us some pictures of what it's expected to look like. So right now you see it's in the building phase, and they offer a blueprint kind of on their site to see how it will look when it is completed. But you can see where it's located, so feel free to pull up and look at the sign yourself. You can use the number on the billboard to get direct contact, 876-532-0025 or emeraldja.com. You can see it says it will be 215 studios. It shows that there'll be detached home, apartment, townhouses. The billboard shows developed by HEC, and it says mortgage provided by Sagicor. Now, I did speak with someone there, and they said Sagicor and China Arbor developing it, but just reach out to the information you see here. All right, so I'm heading to Prairie and saw this sign. I want land, you know. Andrew Woolry, 454-4535. Land in St. Anne, Ocho Rios, I would prefer, because your Airbnb down here
nice income potential. I want some lots for sale. 972-2070. And Plantation Village, and the model unit is literally right there. You can see it from the road right here. That's it right there. Driving in, and this is it right there. The village bar and grill is on the same compound.
Now let's take a look around the house real quick, but just so you know, this is different from MVP Imports or 876 Imports, which we had visited their model unit in Buff Bay, St. Andrew. It is a different seller, all right, but it's the same container house based on what I see. And if you notice inside their name, you see importers inside their names.
Well, I guess that's where it's why I put it was there.
It would seem from my observation that they're importing these houses from these ready-made houses from China and setting up in Jamaica, selling to us. And why I say that is because I believe I went on Alibaba, one of those Chinese sites, and I saw the same similar houses, design, everything. But you can do your research. Yes, but if you're interested in getting one out here, you can come to Island Importers in Prairie, St. Anne. And another thing that's unique about them, that's different from the first persons in Bull Bay, when you identify a land that you're putting it on, they will come and do the concrete work and make the slab to put it on the land itself. So they do everything. All you have to do is show them the land and they'll do everything else, transport it, install it, and also do the work that you'd normally have contractor do to create the slab, the foundation to put it on. All right, so you can see the design is pretty similar to the one that we went in Kingston. It's basically the same design, same layout. It's a 20 by 20 container. However, they were very customer friendly because they did tell you that you can change the material inside, you can change the flooring, you can customize the cabinets, even the layout of the kitchen. Instead of that L shape, you can get basically an island setting. If you'd like a stove, you can get that stove top, what you call it, I'm not sure what you call it, but you can get that with it at an additional cost. You can get closets with the bedrooms at an additional cost. Here we can see some materials for the exterior of the house. Right here, you can choose what you'd like. And they have a book here, so that's what I was saying. You can customize the things. The cabinets can be customized. But contact them. I'll put their number on the screen. If you follow Miss Donna, you'd see that she went and did a video there as well. So you can go to her page to check it out to see how legit they are. And as I said, you can reach out to them. They're very responsive. Everything they answer within minutes. So I like that about them. And it's the same 3.9 million for this unit you're looking at. This is a 2-bedroom. And remember, it's not exactly like this. You can get it how you want it. So speak with them and they'll give you all the information you need. 3.9 million for a 20 by 20 container. And I'll show you some images at the end of the video that they sent while I was corresponding with them. And of course, I always implore you to meet directly with them, speak directly with them, and get first-hand information and not just work off what I say, because we're all human. All right, and human error happens. All right, so this is it. I was asking her about the doors, if they can be changed as well. She said yes. So it's like everything can be customized. For more information, you can go to islandimportsja.com. You'll see their telephone number. You'll see they're inviting you to visit their model unit. You'll see the different sizes. Studio apartments starting at $2.5 million, which is 20 by 8 feet. It features a kitchen, a bathroom, includes delivery and installation. They also have a video. You can view that unit. The second is a 20 by 20 unit, which we saw in this video today for $3.9 million. It can come with 1 or 2 bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, dining. It has some pictures of how inside is expected to look. Building specification, it shows the flooring is PVC or SPC. It says it's heavy duty structural steel framing, interior walls, has concrete panels, metal roof, aluminum frames for the windows, the door material, etc. It tells you that it's hurricane resistant, it's customizable, which I've been saying throughout the whole video. It's wired with plumbing, electricity, for AC, LED lights, aluminum doors. It lists some amenities such as the exterior materials, the flooring, window, the outlets, the cabinets, doors, bathroom, and it begins to talk about that it's designed for comfort and functionality. The upgrades which you can get to make it more luxurious and tailored to your needs. Options include roofing, front porch, etc. So front porch would be an additional cost. They list some questions that persons tend to ask. Where can I view it? I just showed you, and of course you can contact them to view the unit yourself. Do I need to have land? Yes, you must already own your land. So I'm clicking on each question to get the answers. What is the process to order a prefab unit? First you visit, then they come and do a site assessment of your land, order confirmation. If the unit is in stock, you have to pay 100% price because you're getting it right away. If not, you have to pay a 20% deposit to place your order. Delivery and installation, they deliver, they install. Utility connection, you have to set up with JPS. They do not work with NHD. Do they offer financing? It says yes, we offer through most financial institutions. What materials are used, and it begins to talk about the material that are used. Are these safe during hurricane season? And it goes in depth as to why it is safe and discuss the material used that make it safe. How energy efficient are the units? The walls are fully insulated, as density polyurethane foam to help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, etc. You can read more at the site. Do you offer containers for commercial use? Yes, they do. Is it possible to stack the units, meaning put one on the other or join? Yes, they can stack or be joined. Do you offer a warranty? Yes, they offer a 1-year warranty. All right. You can read more about them, see if it's a company you'd like to get in line with, and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video where we'll be touring my lovely Airbnb in the beautiful Ocho Rios, the reason I am here in Ocho Rios, St. Anne in the first place.
Look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you.